Hello adventurers, well I'm out here in the eastern wheat belt, and as you can see it's a little bit rainy, but the crops are going gangbusters this year, so far at least. A lot of rain out this way this year, and this is a canola crop, and I'm just heading this way, and just to go and have a look at another barn find. See what this one I think's in a lot worse shape than the last one. It's an older bike, but we'll take a look at it, see if we can get it going. I'm towing the trailer in case it's worth getting, and we'll turn it into another fishing buggy. So okay, we better keep going. Just pulled into the driveway of the farmer where this bike is, and we'll go find him. He's probably working somewhere, and then go take a look and see what condition it's in, and see if it's worth getting. Might even try and start it, something like that. So alrighty, so we're looking for this bike, which is down the back of this shed. So here it is here. And it's all looking a little bit worse for wear, but I'm sure with a bit of TLC we'll get that going. There's the tyre put back on, and just needs a bit of work, a lot of work, but it might make a good fishing buggy. Alrighty, let's get it out of here. Got to move all this stuff. Alrighty, it's a two-wheel drive, covered in dust. Let's see if we can get it started. So it's pretty cold and blowing a gale, so I hope you can hear this, but I thought I'd just stop, picked up this barn find now, and just have a quick look over it before I head back. So it's a roughie, but it's a goodie. It'll do the job. Just needs a little bit of work done. So let's take a look. So it's got the that sort of axle arrangement, like a beam axle type thing. It's a two-wheel drive. It's belt drive, two-wheel drive, so no front diff. That makes it a little easier to fix. No CV joints. It's done a fair bit of work, but it hasn't done many hours, so it's only done about 700 hours, which isn't much. A little bit of electrical work to do there, but it does run. Actually started it. Has needs a new plastic on here, or just leave that on there, but it's got a rope start. So it's yeah, it's a roughie, but it'll be a goodie. It'll be good enough for fishing once we can get it going and get it reliable. So I'm now heading back to Perth. Got about a 4-hour drive to get back. So, get on the road and get this delivered.